If you're thinking about buying from Tinggly, there are a few things you need to know before pulling the trigger. I've researched this platform extensively, and today I'm going to share 7 crucial insights that could help you make the right decision. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also show you how to grab the best possible offer for Tinggly, completely free, by clicking the link below. First off, what sets Tinggly apart from its competitors is that it offers gift experiences rather than traditional gifts. You're not just gifting something that'll gather dust on a shelf. You're offering a memorable experience. It's similar to what platforms like Virgin Experience Days offer, but with a few unique features that might make it the better option. Next thing, Tinggly provides a global reach. With experiences available in over 100 countries, it's a great option for anyone looking to give a gift with an international twist. Whether it's a hot air balloon ride in New Zealand or a luxury spa day in Thailand, the variety of experiences is vast. Competitors like Cloud9 Living may offer a decent selection, but Tinggly's international focus gives it a leg up if you're thinking of giving something truly global. The third thing to consider is Tinggly's gift sets. Unlike a lot of experience-based platforms, Tinggly offers pre-packaged gift sets, which include multiple experience options within a certain category. This is great for someone who might not know exactly what their recipient would love, but still wants to ensure the experience is something memorable. Some competitors offer similar concepts, but they can be a little more rigid with their options. Next thing, the flexibility of Tinggly's gift vouchers. These vouchers are not limited to one specific experience. The recipient can choose what they want. Unlike traditional gift cards that often limit recipients to a specific store or service, Tinggly gives the gift of choice with no expiration date. This level of flexibility is not always available with other experience-based gifts, which might lock you into certain dates or times. The fifth thing you should know is that Tinggly's pricing is competitive. If you're thinking that something like this is going to cost you a fortune, think again. With many packages starting around $100, it's more affordable than you might expect. When compared to similar offerings from platforms like Virgin or Red Letter Days, Tinggly manages to keep its prices reasonable while still offering high-quality experiences. Moving on to the sixth point, Tinggly's customer service. Based on user reviews, they've done a good job at responding to inquiries and solving any issues that may arise. From personal experience, I've found that their support team is responsive and easy to reach if you need help. While other competitors might leave you waiting longer for a response, Tinggly seems to focus on making sure their customers are satisfied. The seventh and final thing you need to know is that Tinggly offers a satisfaction guarantee. If for any reason your recipient isn't happy with their experience, you can get a refund. This adds a layer of security that some other platforms don't offer. So if you're worried about your gift not being the perfect fit, Tinggly takes the guesswork out of it, ensuring you have a safe option to rely on. If you want to try out Tinggly and get the best possible deal, click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get the best offer, but you'll also get access to some exclusive perks that aren't available elsewhere. Don't miss out on this chance to give an unforgettable experience to someone special.